money, I don't have like that. But these are just only obstacles to success. But you will just allow yourselves to go through the process, then you will be able to get through all of this. As you venture towards your dream, there could be mistakes. And do not be afraid of mistakes, because mistakes are just only normal. It's pretty normal. It's just actually part and parcel of the process of making you a better citizen, a better human being, to becoming the best version of yourselves. There could be doubters along the way. These are the sidebar voices that would tell you cannot do it. Ano man na siya, naskwila man siya man, at hina man na siya utok. No, I remember one of my teachers before, when we were still in high school, would often say, kaya ka imo nga, pagtanaw na po imo karon murag hinay magay ka. And yet, that person, that student that he actually ridiculed right now is one of the doctors serving in our community. So we cannot tell. We cannot tell. Right now, you're not actually showing up. You're just an average. You're just actually giving a mediocre. You actually show mediocrity. But later along the process, along these immersions, you have already provided the best. You will show to be the best. Do not forget that failures are just only your friends. You challenge failures, more, more. I need more failures. Because at the end of the day, that particular failure would become your best friend. Those failures of yours will become who you are today. Those failures would mold you into becoming the best person. The captain, si Invictus, or the captain of your soul. So you have to think of that. Huwag po kayong babaha, huwag po kayong magdamdam o meron tayong mga kakulangan sa ating mga sarili or mga failures, mga setbacks. What we need to do, allow ourselves to just go through with those setbacks, but eventually you learn something on it. And that is the technique that our President, Dr. Maria Agnes Roblico, has been doing. She never actually surrendered. Establishing this kind of school is never easy. But she has to move forward whatever difficulties lies or right there. Because what he has in mind is the big why. Meron po siyang tinatawag na big why dyan. At ano po yung big why na yan? Ayan po ay makapagbigay ng mga mabubuting pangyayari, no? Good things, development in our community. So that's why we have to lead with a great service. One of you will become leaders in our community, and we are happy. We will be happy for that. And the true prize, when you finally cross the finish line and hit your goal, you will feel the incredible surge of accomplishment. Have you felt it? Na-feel niyo ba ngayon yan? That you are already, wow, parang hindi talaga ako sa sarili. Akala ko hindi ko kaya yun, but right now you are here. Okay? And then you just only need to go to the same process. When you now become professionals, you still move on. Because life would still continuously be going on and on. You will look back and realize that the person you had to become to reach the milestone is the greatest reward of all. And take note, what is that key element that serve as a motivating factor that able you to reach your dreams in life? And that is discipline. You have to be different from what's in our community right now. Okay? You need to be different because you are already bringing the name of Aim High College Incorporated. You have to be proud. You have to apply those values that you actually learn coming from Aim High College Incorporated. Nurturing minds. Think that you're not actually end here. You also become educators in your own right. Hindi po yung teacher lamang po yung ating mga educators. No. Whether you are a nurse, you are a social worker, you are a criminologist, by showing only your values to other people, it is already or indirectly telling them that this is the way to do it. This is the right way to do it. So you don't need to become instructor or professional, but it's a plus factor that you will become such. But in your own little way, you can actually help change our world. So, dream big dreams. Set your sights high. Take the first concrete step today. And remember that all your dreams will come true if you have the courage to pursue them. That's why after this one, you'll be able to have this upholding justice. Upholding justice is all about our actions. It's all about our labor. Diba sabi ko kanina, ibahin po natin ang imahe ng ating mga professionals ngayon. Kasi kung nakadalasan at kita natin, meron tayo naririnig na mga negatibong mga pangyayari sa loob po ng isang departamento man o isang ospital o isang agency. We need to change it. We need to give what the people deserve to receive. Just like proper and quality service to all. To our education students, URI represents the noble mission of shaping your minds and transforming lives. Teachers are builders of the future, guiding leaders towards knowledge, character, and success. May this symbol remind you of the profound influence you will have on generations to come and responsibility that comes with a being educator. Dear students, and you have from one stage for your academic life, this is your academic life journey, and you're going to shift from academic life to professional life. Remember that success is not measured solely by grades. Do not believe in that. Because even Miriam Defensor Santiago, as I watched and heard, that those people who are usually successful are not those people who have actually high grades. These are people who are just only average. These are not also the people who belong to who are experiencing also learning disabilities. Why? Because if you are at the middle, you are resilient enough to move forward, to move above, and go down. And that's actually the result. That's actually a sort of a study that those who succeed are only average people because they can be adjusted to dealing with those bright people and also to dealing with those less fortunate when it comes to mental intelligence. But remember, there could be lots of intelligences. The reading you were today is a reminder that you're no longer merely students learning about your professions. You are becoming professionals, preparing you to live out of your vocation. Challenges will come, and the road ahead may not always be easy, but let your passion, perseverance, and purpose guide you forward. To our parents, sad kong parents natin, nasa likod, no? Grabe, mayroon tayong gap, no? Can you look back your parents? Tingnan yung parents natin. And wave sa kanila, share a smile. Can you share a smile to our parents? Because they are really one of the big factors of your success at this point of time. To our parents and families, thank you for your sacrifices and encouragement and unwavering support. This achievement is not only student success, but also a reflection of your love and dedication. Just imagine, just like I mentioned earlier, if our parents are not toiling hard, if our parents are just only thinking about their own or their personal survival, then you would not have received such accolade in this appointed time. Can you give a resounding applause to our parents? Palakpakan para sa ating mga parents. And be proud of them. As we celebrate this meaningful occasion, may each ring serve as a constant reminder of your dreams, your responsibilities, and the bright future that awaits you. Congratulations to our students, our candidates for graduation. And can you presume, you're presuming already graduates, may you continue striving for excellence, serving with integrity, and leading with compassion. Once again, congratulations and may God bless you all. Thank you and good morning, a victorious morning to all of us.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, another round of applause to our guest speaker, Dr. Lowell Faith P. Abalde.